So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have a function f which is from R to R, and we can write f of x in this way: cube root of x plus root of 1 plus x square plus cube root of x minus root of 1 plus x square. And then this summation is given, which is summation n is equal to 1 to n f inverse n, and this summation we can express in this way. And based on that we have to tell the value of lambda plus mu. Lambda is this thing and mu is this thing. So the problem is, first of all we have to do this summation, and then based on our expression we have to compare with this expression, and we have to tell the value of lambda plus mu. So you see, to solve this problem, first of all we need this inverse function. So we have this f of x function, so let's see how we can calculate the inverse function. So this is the f of x. So I am assuming this f of x is equal to y. Then here we have the terms of cube roots. So what you can do, you can do the cube both the side. So it will become like y cube is equal to this thing cube. This you can assume as a, and this you can assume as b. So we have this a plus b whole cube, which is like a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, and here we have a plus b. So this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. Similarly, you can expand this also based on this formula. So this will come like x plus root of 1 plus x square. So the cube of this thing is this. Then the cube of this thing is x minus root of 1 plus x square. Because the cube root and cube will cancel, and only the remaining thing is this inner expression. So this is a cube plus b cube. Now we have 3ab, and here we have a plus b. Now you see, this summation, which is this thing plus this thing, it is same as y. You can see that here. So this we can write as y. These two things will cancel. Here we have x, here we have x. It will come like 2x. Now we have this product. So you see, this expression I can write as x plus root of 1 plus x square power 1 by 3, and this expression I can write as x minus root of 1 plus x square power 1 by 3. Now this you can also write in this way, like x plus root of 1 plus x square power 1 by 3 multiplied by x minus root of 1 plus x square power. Uh, so this you can take inside like this. So we have this thing multiplied by this thing whole power 1 by 3 we can also write. Now we have this a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So this is a square minus b square, and this whole power 1 by 3. So this thing will come like x square minus 1 minus x square power 1 by 3. This will cancel. This will come like minus 1 power 1 by 3, which is same as minus 1. So actually, this product, this product is equal to minus 1. We can say. So the final answer is of this y cube is equal to this 2x minus 3y. This is y. 3 will coming from here, minus 1 is coming from here, and y is this. So y cube we can write in this way. From here you can write x in terms of y, and this we can write as f inverse y, because when you express in terms of y, this is the f inverse y, and based on that we can find out this inverse function. So you can see that this inverse function is this x cube plus 3x plus x cube plus 3x divided by 2. So this is our inverse function. So now we have this inverse function. So based on that we can easily do this summation. So this is our inverse function. So we have to do the summation n is equal to 1 to n, this f inverse n. So we can also find out this f inverse n. Simply you replace x by n. So we have this thing. Now we have to do the summation from n is equal to 1 to n, this n cube plus 3n divided by 2. So you know the summation of n cube, it is n times n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square, and the summation of n is n times n plus 1 divided by 2. This half I take the outside, and here we have this 3, so here we also have 3. Now this you can simplify, it will become like n square times n plus 1 whole square. this half, and here it will come like 1 by 4. Half square is 1 by 4, so this product is 1 by 8 here, and here we have this half, and here we have this half factor also, so this will come like 1 by 4. So now this you can see here we have 8 and here we have 4. So based on that you can compare with this expression. So lambda value is 8 and mu value is 4. So this lambda plus mu is equal to 12. So in this way we can solve this.